In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Wikipedia account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in en.wikipedia.org. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Wikipedia. You can see over here, you'll be led to the main page. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, create account. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the create account interface of Wikipedia. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, enter your username. Click on the field of username. Now simply enter the username over here. Keep in mind your username is public and cannot be made private later. Now create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very unique password. After you do that, confirm the password. Now what you have to do is provide your email address. Click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Now once you do that, you'll have to go through the CAPTCHA security check. What you have to do is simply enter the text that you see on this image. Click on this field. Now enter the text over here. Now once you do that, click on this option, create your account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here I'm facing the account creation error because of my IP address. Due to some reason my IP address is blocked, but your account will be created and you'll be able to access your Wikipedia account. So that is how you create Wikipedia account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.